Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AdMob setup for iOS mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, create your AdMob account by visiting the AdMob website. Click on the Get Started button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Once logged in, click on Add App to start the setup process. Select iOS as the platform for your mobile app. Input the name of your app as it appears on the App Store. If your app is already published, choose Yes and provide its bundle ID. If the app is not yet published, select No. Click on Add App to create your app listing in AdMob. Next, you will need to generate an AdMob app ID. In the dashboard, find your newly created app and click on it. Navigate to the Monetize app section. Select the ad format you want to use, such as banner ads, interstitial ads, or rewarded ads. Click on Continue after selecting the ad format. Follow the prompts to configure your chosen ad format. AdMob will provide you with an ad unit ID after setup. Copy this ad unit ID for later use in your app. Now, open your iOS project in Xcode. Integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your Xcode project. You can use CocoaPods to add the dependency. Create a pod file if you don't have one. Add the line pod Google Mobile Ads SDK to the pod file. Run the command pod install to install the SDK. Close your project and open the generated .squirkspace file. In your app delegate file, import the Google Mobile Ads SDK. Initialize the SDK in the application's did finish launching with options method. Use the code GAD Mobile Ads shared instance, start with completion handler in IL. Now, navigate to the view controller where you want to display ads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.